All right, kids, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super cheap power steering setup from a Prius. So we're at the junkyard and we're going to pull off the column right here. We're going to remove this boy, and the ECU. Actually quite easy, so let's get it. Just going to pop off the side screws right here. Super easy because we're going to need to remove the airbag. All right, pop this guy off. Now, if you're at the junkyard and you don't need certain things, it's cheaper to remove it because they're gonna charge you for it. You have 19, pop this guy off, give it a little slappy, and there you go. Take off these screws, pop these guys off. Okay, and the top guy, there you go. Pop the connectors, airbag stuff. All these guys, we're not gonna need any of these, so don't pay for it extra. All right, dude, that's crazy. That's just held on there by a clamp. ECU's right here. There you go, ECU. Connectors, you're gonna need these connectors later, so don't mess them up. This is actually pretty clean, look at that. And the last two bolts up here, holding the steering column up on the dash. And then they should fall. Voila! There you go. That's your Prius steering column, and you can actually put this in a bunch of cars. Integras, Civics, Miatas.